Okay, so for a pina colada, you need coconut cream and pineapple juice and rum if you want to make it alcoholic. However, the ratio would be 1/3 a can of the coconut cream and 1 ounce of the pineapple juice, and then an ounce of rum if you want the rum. However, if you don't want the rum, you can add another ounce of pineapple juice. One tip that I would add is that when you're making a coconut cream and you open it for the first time, put it into the blender first and blend it to make it homogeneous. Then you can pour it back into the can so that every single pina colada will be the same.
All right, let's show me how to do it.
Okay, so for this purpose, I'm going to make everything. So I put the entire can, and then I put an estimated about 3 ounces of pineapple juice. After that,
our virgin pina coladas here at our cooking class. We have pineapple juice and coconut cream. We put them in the blender, and now we're adding a ton of ice.